Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen, where we'll cook all African food, African cuisine, African flavor with all American ingredients since we're here in the United States. Today I'm quickly going to show you, I'm getting ready to make dinner for my children, and I'm going to make the coconut fried rice. It's just simple, it's just rice pilaf but with coconut in it. The main ingredient is the rice, which is the key. I'm using parboiled rice, probably like 4 cups. I don't know how to measure that. These are my herbs that I've pre-measured. A spoon and a half of crayfish, which is grounded shrimp. Half a teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of thyme, 2 leaves of bay leaf, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 spoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a teaspoon of Cameroonian pepper, and a spoon of ginger. Everything here, you don't need anything here except for the crayfish seasoning powder, and probably your bay leaf if you need. Every other thing is optional. For the protein, I'm going to be using shrimp, okay, and I'm going to do some straight steak on the grill to go with the dinner. I'll show you how I make my steak on the grill too. Then I have my chopped vegetable, my butter, okay, which I'm going to use a little bit, my mixed vegetable. I have the stock, beef stock. You don't have to use this. If you don't have it, use this powder. I have the cayenne pepper, the coconut milk, which is the coconut milk is actually the star of the show, and I have the organic coconut oil, which I've been using. Pepper is optional, and like I said to you, all African food, the base is actually from all the peppers. We use all the peppers. We love peppers, the red peppers, the yellow peppers, red, purple, green, tomato, onion, garlic, ginger. That's the base of our food. Once you get it, it's almost the same thing. You know, it's like a cookie cutter effect. Once you get out to cook what you used to cook, you'll be fine. Okay, the rice I've already washed it in the pot. I'm gonna put a little bit of, since we are doing coconut rice, half a spoon of coconut oil on it. Then I'm gonna use like half a stick of butter. So I'm gonna fry this first. And while if I put my liquid in it, to cook it for like 2 minutes. You cook that for like 2 minutes before you add your milk. This is toaster. It's not just I want it to be. I'm going to add the milk. And this stock. Shrimp and boil together. It smells so coconutty here. There's an English word for that, coconutty. Okay. I'm gonna put all my herbs. I have my crayfish, my curry, my Cameroonian pepper, my ginger, my garlic powder, the bouillon seasoning, the bay leaf, the thyme. This is so good. All the herbs are in it. The rice is cooking. A little more water now. You don't want to add too much water at the same time. That's a cup of water. Cover this for a while and let it simmer. Just a minute. We'll come back in the next 20 minutes so we can put our vegetables in it. Some people like to fry their vegetable on one side. I don't do all that. Mine is a one-pot meal. Okay, off the camera, I've put my herbs, my rosemary, and my thyme. I'm putting a little bit of butter. You know, this is just my own take, not CPM mistake. Since we are doing coconut rice, I'm going to put some coconut milk on my steak. So this is just me. It's just my own take. So this is my coconut infused steak, which I'm going to use to garnish the coconut rice. My coconut infused steak is done. I'm going to be pairing it with my coconut rice for my dinner tonight with my family. So I'm just trying to, you know, have fun. So I poured some coconut milk in it, and it's just infused, coconut infused steak, that's it. So see you on the table with this. I'm done with that. I played that for you. So now let's go to the rice. The rice is done. I'm going to add my veggie in it because I want to see my veggie fresh. Okay, mix it enough so that when you take a bite, you can see your veg in it. I do my mixed veg. Trust me, this is tasty and smelling really good in here. So I have folded the veggie in it, now my shrimp. Okay, I have some strip of beef that I've fried, and my children love meatballs. This is just my own version. You don't have to do it this way. It's something different. So I'm going to cover it for it to steam and for it to be dry. It's so yummy. I tasted it. So I'm going to cover it with foil for it to be steamed together. Then we serve. Okay. I'm going to remove the wax paper. I put a little bit of wax paper so that the rice can steam and can dry up. You can see it came out really nice. Our coconut fried rice, Nigerian fried rice is ready, and that's how I like it. I don't like it too fried or natural, and it's very rich. Okay, so let's go serve this. So I'll see you on the table. Finally finished my cooking, my coconut fried rice, the coconut steak. It looked good. It tastes sumptuous. You know, life is what you make it, and you know, you can do anything you put your heart into. You don't have to You have to follow the rules, but you don't have to follow the rules. This is my take on coconut rice. And this is for my family. It's not a party one. And I think it came out really beautiful. And we're getting ready to eat. Thank you for staying tuned. I tell you, my people, I don't finish my own fried rice, so I can't put down with coconut steak. Join now. Make it follow me and jam. Me and my children want to chop now. We're hungry. Beyond everything, thank you for staying with me. Thank you for liking us. Thank you for being loyal to this channel. Don't forget to share, like,